Front parts of analog camera. Shutter. Shutter in photography device through which the lens aperture of a camera is open to admit light and thus expose the film. Film advance. Film advance is a mechanism for moving film from one spool to another incrementally one frame at a time. Shutter speed indicator. In photography shutter speed or exposure time is the length of time to that film. Hot shoe. A hot shoe is a mounting point on the top of a camera to attach a flash unit and other compatible accessories. Rewind lever. Press to release your roll of film before rewinding the film back into canister. F-stops or focus stops. In landscape photography, you'll typically want to use a higher f-stop or narrow aperture to get more of your scene in focus. Focus ring. This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. Glass lens. Analog cameras capture image by exposing photographic film to light with scene in front of the lens being reproduced onto the material thanks to the chemical reaction between the silver halides and the light itself. The back of analog camera. Film compartment. A plastic sheet with photosensitive emulsion that comes in various formats for still and video cameras. Viewer. Viewer is the eye placed on a camera that you hold close to your eye to allow you to see what's being photographed. Camera back. A digital camera back is a device that attaches to the back of a camera in place of the traditional negative film holder. Film take-up reel. After the back is closed, the winder is pushed a couple times to draw the film around the take-up reel. Rewind button. Rewind button. Pressing rewind button discharges the film advance mechanism to pulling the lever only resets the shutter. setting you up for a double exposure.